Hello, welcome to my Sunday front. Today I have these packages I have yet to open, so let's see what's in them. Today is like Prime Day sales, so I'm excited for that. And I've been shopping online, and I picked up some fitness, like diet, some stuff for like fitness and supplements and stuff like for my stack. But I've been shopping the pre-sale deals, and that's what these are. So let's see what they are. So the first thing I got is in this package. And this is just mostly like a food haul because I'm making a recipe out of most of this stuff. Now these are whole new potatoes. Sometimes I don't find these, so I went ahead and ordered it because I don't really like when I'm cooking, I don't like rehydrating potatoes. So I went ahead and snagged this eh, instead because it was available. And then here, I like this deal. This deal was $24. It was like 25 bucks. And this was one of the best deals that I found. This is a pre-sale deal, and it's pea protein based or um, pea based proteins. One is beef, the other is fish, and the middle one right here is chicken. So fish, chicken, and beef trio for like 25 bucks. And look, they have like recipes, I guess. This is cool. It says recipes. This is so freaking cool. And it makes 1 pound each, so that's 3 pounds of meat. And that's pretty good for me. That's a good deal because um like it has, look how much protein, 16 grams of protein in the beef. And you can't really beat that out there. If you're looking for something nutritious, just like nutritious or just like, easy to make and vegan, also, these are really good. Usually it's about 30 some dollars for the trio, but each one is over $10. So, um, like if you want to buy them separate, you can buy them separate. Now, this one, see, I was happy because I got the sales, which puts me like it puts me in a ways that I don't have to spend a lot of money. Now this is a wig, and I like this one because it's lace wig. It's a professional wig. It's by Oatry. You can see. So I don't know if I'm gonna wear this on my lives, but I really like it, and you know um it's medium length, so it has length on it. I don't think I'll wear it on my lives, but it's really cute. And yeah, like I think it's one of the better kinds of um wigs. So like if you're looking for a wig, Oatry is a really good place because you can style them however you can wear them daily. What I do is I just wash them. I wash them and I treat them really well. I hang dry them and everything. And I style them how I want to style them, and and set them, and um, I wear them. Like I said, I wear Oatry. Like I like these because you can wear them daily. And you can buy different kinds, like for different events or holidays or whatever. And these, like I said, are kind of the nicer kinds of weight, and they're easy to use. That's the important part for me. Are they easy to use? Because you can buy the cheap ones, which look like costumes, and you can make them look really good, which is majority of what I do. I don't spend over $10 per uh, wig that I wear for filming. But previous ones I've spent a lot of money, but that's why I buy the cheaper ones now, because you can just style them and wear them for whatever purpose you have to film. And these are more like these are more like $20 and under, $20 and over. This one was 20. And you can see it has a part on it in the middle, which is cool, like this, and it's lace. So, like I said, you can style it however you want, even though it has the part. You can just skip the part and just do whatever you want with it. And like that's what I do. So let me put this up because it's kind of a nicer type. So I got this safflower oil, and I've been using canola, and I'm still gonna use canola or whatever. But this is like a nicer um, oil. Canola is good for cooking, like frying and stuff, and it's healthy and stuff. And I like to use it, but this one, I just wanted this one because my diet goals and stuff. So I thought this one would help me with my diet goals, and that's why I bought it. It's just safflower oil. It costed like $8.99, and it's 32.3 ounces. And for me, it's a good deal. It's kind of one of the only ones you can find online. This is naproxen, but it's by Aleve, so I wanted to try it. I haven't tried Aleve yet. So, actually, I think I thought it was Advil. I don't know why. And it was on sale anyways, which it's 50 caplets. It says it lasts 12 hours strength. And I think it was a pretty good deal. Uh, I think the only other competitive price point was Amazon's, which I usually buy for naproxen. So this, like I said, had a coupon on it. It was $7.99 plus coupon. And then I bought for my recipe. This is whole carrots, and these are like $3. This is also under $3. This is beef and vegetable soup. It says 15 grams of protein per can. It's got 230 calories, so it's hearty. And it comes with potatoes, carrots, tomato paste, onions, green beans, peas. It says it comes with, yeah, that's about it. The rest is like thickeners, and it's vegan. Oh, I got two of them too. So it's like two for under $6. It's a good price point for me. So I went ahead and got it because the recipe is going to be kind of big recipe. So here I got a can of asparagus, and these were like $1 something for this little can. It's 15 ounces of asparagus. These are extra long. And I got my favorite snack, saltine crackers. These are under $2, 1.90 something or one something. It comes with 4 sleeves in there. And then I've been seeing the Vichy commercials, but this is Selsun Blue. The Vichy is like $20. This is, I guess, a dupe. by Selsun Blue. It says it's maximum strength, cleanse and condition. It says with conditioner to repair and strengthen your hair. It helps eliminate, prevent itchy scalp and flaking. It's a 2-in-1. So it's shampoo and conditioner with 1% selenium sulfide, such as here, anti-dandruff shampoo. So this, like I said, is selenium sulfide, and it's supposed to help with itchy scalp and scalp irritations and scalp flaking. And this one is shampoo and conditioner, and it was like $8, right? It had a coupon, so I was like, that's a good dupe for the Vichy, right? Because I wanted to try the Vichy, but I was like, I'm not gonna break my pocket if selenium sulfide doesn't work on me. And I had already bought the Mexican shampoo with coal tar, and I was like, that one that one cleanses really well. But as far as the scalp, I don't feel like it penetrates the scalp enough to the point where I can say I'm not itching, because that's 100% of my issue is the itching. And I don't know about you guys, but I have zero complaints. I can deal with stuff because I actually went to school for all that stuff, but the itching is something that I can't deal with. I can deal with the pain. I can deal with the hair growth. My hair is gonna grow regardless. I have like bulletproof follicles that like grow for days. Like even my stylist always complain about my hair, and they have to trim it like what they call it, kind of thin it out so it's manageable. And yeah, like 100% of my issue is itchy. And if it can't penetrate the scalp enough effectively, then I have to move on. And like I said, that's what I'm doing here and addressing it, the issue itself, um, at face, because that's, like I said, I don't like messing with my hair, putting medicine on it needlessly. I just like to find something that works, stick to it, and address the problem and resolve it. So we're gonna try this next, and I'll tell you how I do. As far as the Medicap shampoo, like I said, it cleans really good. The the irritation area, it like cleans really thoroughly, and it leaves my hair really soft and it feels really fresh on the scalp. But as far as penetrating the scalp and addressing that issue, no, I don't feel like it does enough. So, like I said, it might be a medical thing, but I'm looking for OTC right now, and we're trying this. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to check out some of my other videos. I'll see you on the next one. My son different. Bye bye.